everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techno-E-Solution. This video is sponsored by Bolt IoT. Today's video is going to be super exciting because recently I have got the Bolt IoT hardware kit from the Bolt IoT in my hands. This kit is perfect for everyone interested in learning about the Internet of Things and experimenting with smart devices. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Bolt IoT hardware kit, showing you how to set it up and demonstrating its amazing features. I have been blown away by what this kit can do and I can't wait to share it with you all. And the best part of this video is I have an exclusive discount code just for my first 100 users. So stick around until the end of the video to get your hands on it. So without further delay, let's jump right into the video and check out the Bolt IoT hardware kit. So let's open it. First, here I have got the welcome card. And here is the QR code to access the IoT and machine learning course, and a pouch with some cables and a green box. Here is the Bolt IoT board in a very compact size with branding of Bolt on it, a voltage regulating IC, mini USB pin to power the board. At the back side of the board, it comes with ESP8266 chip on it and a LED noted as a cloud. Let's see what is inside of the box. There are some electronics components and Bolt IoT sticker. The overall kit includes Bolt Wi-Fi board, Bolt stickers, some electronics components, jumper wires, mini breadboard, and a USB cable. 3 resistors to protect the LED, two orange LEDs, and LDR, the LM35 temperature sensor, and a mini buzzer. The Bolt IoT has its own application or a cloud that you can install it from the Google Play Store. The link is given in the description. Do check it out. This is how the application looks like. You have to create an account on it. I am going to create an account with my Google. Just simply click on the sign in button and select your Google account. Here I have created my account on Bolt IoT. To connect the Bolt IoT Wi-Fi board with the application or to the cloud, simply follow the steps shown in the video. It will not take too much time. Just connect your board with 5V adapter . Here you have to add the Wi-Fi name and password so the Bolt IoT board will get the access over the internet. Here is a sample project control view. We can control the LED by using these two buttons. In this way, the setup is completed. Let's quickly see the cloud interface of the Bolt IoT. Here you have to log in with same Google account. And after the successful login, you can see the Bolt IoT board is connected with the cloud. We can also control the Bolt IoT board from the cloud page too. Let's make a simple connection of LED with the board so we can easily demonstrate the project. Here I am connecting LED to 0 and ground pin, where the positive of LED goes to 0 and negative pin of the LED to the ground. Let's power it on by connecting the USB. When boards get connected to the internet, the cloud green LED glows. Now we can demonstrate the board. By simply pressing the on and off button on the app or on a cloud page, we can control the operation of the LED. The Bolt IoT also provides their course. This course is an excellent way to learn about IoT and machine learning, and it will help you to get most out of your Bolt IoT hardware kit. With this course, you will gain hands-on experience with IoT technologies and build a strong foundation in machine learning. The Bolt IoT hardware kit is perfect for everyone, whether you are a hobbyist, student or a professional. By taking the Bolt IoT online course, you will be able to develop various projects on the Bolt IoT kit. If you use my referral code while purchasing the Bolt IoT hardware kit worth Rs 9,600, you will get a special discount on your purchase, and it will cost you for only 2,715 rupees. Along with the hardware kit, you will also get a free IoT and machine learning course by Bolt IoT. This offer is limited to the first 100 users, so be sure to take advantage of it while it lasts. The coupon code and referral link ID is given in the description. And that's for the today's video on the Bolt IoT hardware kit. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing and review and learned more about the amazing features and functionality of this kit. If you are interested in purchasing the kit, be sure to use my referral code to receive a special discount and a free course on IoT and machine learning. This offer is only available to the first 100 users, so don't miss it out. If you have any question or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Fearless.